Welcome back to the studio. As you can see, Mixology 640. So right here we're going to prepare some nice tasty one. It's a fall dessert drink right here. As I said before, you can eat your dessert or you can drink it. This is the one you can drink your dessert. So further ado, let's get right into the cocktail. As you can see right here right now, we're using the coconut rum. As you can see, we're coming all the way straight from Rude Bwoy, inside right here, coconut rum, baby. That's what we're using. Nice, tasty, flawless coconut flavor right here. And we got the Baileys Irish cream, 1 ounce inside, just like this. Coconut cream, 1 ounce inside, just like this. We got the coffee liqueur inside. This is coming from Mixology 640. Remember, it's a season, so we're using the pumpkin spice liqueur inside. Just like that. Flavor. Dessert one. You gotta take it just small, that's gonna taste right. You gotta take it just small. Alright, let's get right into it. I'm gonna put some just like this in the glass so you can see what's going on. Woohoo! Nice tasty one. Guys, you like caramel? This is the one. Just gonna pour it just like this inside the glass. You can see. Nice, tasty, juicy. Woohoo! Just like this. Bam! Woo! Nice tasty one. Just what I just said. Just like that. Just a touch. It looks sexy on the top. Apple, caramel, pumpkin garnish just like this. Right to the dessert. Just like that on the top. We go right here for a nice, sexy, juicy straw. You can see. We're gonna go right here again. We're gonna put some caramel just like this on the top. The rest of dessert, that is nice and tasty. That's what it is. Nice fall dessert cocktail. I'm gonna repeat it. You can eat your dessert or you can drink it. This one you drink your dessert. I'm gonna give it a drink. Oh my gosh, guys, this one is amazing. This one to die for. Mixology 640. Ingredients down below. Catch you on the next video. Bam!